Hi, the purpose of this video is to help you understand how to submit assignments on Canvas. So you have two options to get to your assignment. You could come over here to Modules and actually find the assignment listed, which is right here. Or you could click on Assignments and get to it that way. Or if you're on the home screen, you'll see some of your assignments over here on the right-hand side. For the sake of this activity, we're going to go to Assignments. And we will see only the assignments, and here we're going to click on Story Brainstorm. And here there's a submit button. So of course, once we've double checked the rubric and we proofread and make sure we have everything we need, we're going to click submit. And then it's going to bring you to this screen. You're going to click on Google Doc, and that's going to take you into your Google Drive. So wherever you have it in your Google Drive and wherever you've saved it is what you want to find it as. So this student has it in the Computer Literacy 6 folder, yay. And right here it is, Story Brainstorm Group 47. So I'm going to click on that, click Submit Assignment. You're going to see a screen that looks like this, and eventually when it's successful, you'll be able to see a little note over here. It says successfully submitted, and over here. Now this deadline was on the 26th, so this student submitted it late, but for the sake of this activity, the purpose was to show you how to submit an assignment. Thank you so much.